Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In this session, we will learn how to swap two numbers in Java. Before going to the actual coding, we will learn how to swap two numbers with the help of an Excel sheet. So, for example, we have two numbers A and B. Suppose A is 100 and B is equals to 200. So, if I want to swap A, the value of A, which is 100, with the value of B, we have two methods. Number one is using a temp variable or temporary variable, and the second way is using the mathematical calculation. Let's understand the first thing, the temporary variable. All we need to do is we will use another variable temp and copy this value of 100 here, and then swap this value of 200 of B with A, and then swap the value of temp with B. It's very simple and very common way of swapping. You can ignore the temp. So we have swapped A, the value of A with value of B. We will understand this with the help of code. Let us first create a Java class and let me call it swap numbers. And as usual, we will create a main method and we will take a variable A equals to 100, B equals to 200. Now, I will just print them before swap value of A is A, value of B is B. Now, all I need to do is take a temporary variable and assign it with the value of A. Then the value of A will be swapped with value of B. And finally, the value of B will be swapped with value of 10. Now, let me copy these statements, print statements here, and just I will change this to after swap and save it. First, I will run this program, then I will debug and show how it works internally. So as you can see here, before swap, value of A is 100, value of B is 200, and after swap, value of A became 200 and value of B became 100. Let me close this and let me add a debugger here and debug this. So we have declared A as 100 and B has 200, and let us print them. We have printed them. Now we can check that in the console. Now we have declared another variable temp and we have assigned it with the value of A, which should be 100. Now you can see here temp is 100 and we are now swapping A with B. So 100, the value of 100 will be replaced with the value of B, which is 200. So if you can see here, A became 200 and now temp is 100 So I am assigning temp value to B, which is now B is 100. So we can ignore the temp variable and print them as you can see here. Before swap, values are 100 and 200, and after swap, values are 200 and 100. This is the simplest way of doing this. Now, let me show you the second way, which is with the mathematical calculation. All we need to do is, we don't need temporary variable. We just need to do some calculations, three-step calculations. Step number one, A should be equals to A minus B. Step number three, 2, B is equals to A plus B. Step number 3, again A equals to B minus A. That's all. Let me copy these steps and I'll paste them here. So let me comment this part. Now let me remove these previous steps. Now we have to address three steps. Step number 1, which is A is equals to A minus B. This is step number 1. Step number 2, B is equals to A plus B. Let me add semicolons. Then step number 3, A is equals to B minus A. Now, first I will print them and show you. Then we can debug the difference. And we will observe how it works after using, just I will add one more line using math. Let me save this and let me first run this. As you can see, value of A 100, 200, B 200. Then after swapping using the math, to A became 200 and B became 100. Now let me debug and run this to know how it is internally working. So we have taken A as 100, B as 200, and now step number 1. A should be A minus B, which is 100 minus 200, which is nothing but minus 100. So let us see. Now A is minus 100. Here also you can see A is minus 100 and B remains 200. Step number 2, B is equals to A plus B. Minus 100 plus 200, which is 100. So if we can see, B became 100. Here also we can observe. Now A is minus 100 and B is 100. So now third step is A equal to B minus A. B minus A, B is 100 minus A. A is minus 100. A minus of minus 100. It is like A minus 100. Or you can say 100 minus 100. So minus into minus, which will be plus. So 100 plus 100, which should be 200. So the same thing here. As you can see, A became 200. So after swapping, A became 200 and B became 100. So this is the simplest way of doing swapping of numbers with the help of a mathematical calculation in Java. So we covered both the ways, temporary variable as well as using the swap. So hope you understood. If you have any queries or doubts, you can just comment in the comment section. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and stay tuned for the upcoming sessions. If you have already not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.